Guys, if you want to see this video, look at my glasses.
Interrupting your beautiful summer day, Mr. Drillman. But I really have to ask you a really important
Yo, this is sick. Wait, do it again. Huh? Sasai what? His what? Oh, change it.
No.
See ya. See why you still here. Go. Bye.